Hi guys, my name is Viswajit and welcome to a new channel for 10 best things for you, where we discuss 10 best things about different things, parts of life, health, fitness, mental health, movies, anything for you. I know there are many channels doing that, but me and my friends thought it would be fun to share stuff that we like with you guys. And the first video is going to be about the 10 best juices for you, and these juices cover everything from fitness to health to immunity boosting, general taste, availability. And this is a list we made, and it was fun during this whole pandemic and lockdown. We uh, decided to try new things to keep ourselves motivated and positive, and we thought to share these experiences and what about not fruits that we like, so that you guys can try it at home. And most of these fruits that we are going to share with you all is fruits that are mostly available easily in India, especially southern India. So I'm sorry if it's not available in your region, but I'm sure there's something you can compromise with. So here we go. At number 10, we have papaya. I am sure papaya is a big time favorite for many of y'all, and many of y'all will put it higher up in the chart. We have other fruits as well, which we will go, but papaya is amazing. It's really tasty, it's very fleshy, and you have to use a bit of water to sort of make it and blend it for a longer period so that it's very juicy and becomes very pulpy. You can mix papaya with grapes and pomegranate, sometimes mint, to add a little bit of flavor. And cocktailing juices or mocktailing is really fun. You should try it out. Keep playing with it. Especially the colors that blend. It's amazing, and you'll have a good time. At number 9, we have avocados. Now, avocados are an amazing fruit. They actually contain everything you need for one whole day of energy, and you can even make sandwiches out of it. You can bake it. It's amazing, and an avocado smoothie is amazing. It's really really healthy, and you can also mix it with a little bit of chico or sapota, and add a little bit of flavor with that. It's a good mix. At number 9, we have our very famous OJ. Not OJ Simpson, but OJ is orange juice. And an orange juice, normally you don't mix it, but if you needed to play with it, you can use a bit of pomegranate. Nice color mix happens, and it's quite tasty. Number 7, you have our very own citrus limeta, also known as Mosambi in India. And on its own, it's really really nice. And of course, some people like it pulpy, some don't. I'm a man of no pulp. A lot of people like pulpy, but it's your choice. At number 6, we have melon. Melon, I love melon. It's one of my favorite fruits. I even love cutting melon. It's really fun. And on a side note, or something hack is that melon seeds actually they grow really fast. Within a week they sprout out and they look really good. I have been growing melon plants really fast, so really for a long time. So please don't throw away melon seeds if you like planting, or you can just throw it on the road in a place where there is soil. At least they'll grow. It's a lot of nice. It's a lot of seeds inside. So yes, and you can mix melon with watermelon. It's really good mix and very tasty. Number 5, you have gooseberry, and also known as amla in India. And gooseberries are really nice. They have this sourness in them, which is quite tasty. If you like sour based juice, you can mix a little bit of lemon as well to give it that spunk, and it comes out really nice. Number 4, you have kiwi. Now, kiwi is a big time favorite among smoothies and juices. I'm not a kiwi fan. Everybody's like, oh, kiwi is so awesome, kiwi is so awesome. It's sort of kiwi is like a fake avocado for me, but it's really healthy and very good, and also tasty, no doubt. So for those kiwi lovers, you can mix it with strawberry. and it's quite tasty. And it's a good mix, nice colors. At number 3, you have black grapes. Now, I'm not a grapey man, but black grape juice is really amazing. And one of the things I enjoy with making juices are the colors. I really like the blend. You can mix it with watermelon, and it's a lot of fun to make it. And black grapes are also very healthy. If you Google a lot of the health benefits behind black grapes, you'll be surprised why I have not been eating this for so long. At number 2, you have passion fruit. So those people who like passion in their lives, you can try a passion fruit and mix it with a little bit of lychee. Passion fruit is quite easily available in India, and it's really healthy. It's one of the top 10 fruits to eat for weight loss and for fitness. So please try passion fruit, and they also look very beautiful. And at number 1, you'll be surprised, but at number 1 we have cranberries. Not the band, the fruit. And cranberries are one of my favorites. They are quite tasty and the colors are amazing. The health benefits are top of the charts, especially for weight loss, and you must try it. So please try it out. You can mix it with pomegranate as well and play with it. And you can always try other fruits to mix with, and you can even try with spices. You can mix it with salt, pepper, or whatever you can find, and try it out. So I hope you enjoyed it, and stay organic, stay healthy during this pandemic. Don't get used to pills and meds, please. Go for natural immunity boosters. It's cheap, it's available, it's in the market, and just try it out, make a bit of effort. Popping pills are not always healthy. Have any questions or doubts, please shoot it down in the comment section. I've tagged a link to a friend of mine who keeps sharing advice on these things, so you can question her as well. And I shall see you guys in my next videos if we do well and don't get reported. Please like and comment. Thank you.